High five everybody, I'm Dom Lagace. Today I'm gonna help you to learn a new trick. Today we're gonna talk about ollie in the flat. The ollie in the flat is super important. It's the basic movement to do an air. To do an ollie in the flat, at the beginning we're gonna keep the rope again, and we're gonna go outside of the wake on the side with tension in the rope, and we're gonna practice to do some little jumps, some little ollie. An ollie is the same movement as we do on a skateboard. You're gonna start, you're gonna have the weight on your front foot first. You're gonna transfer the weight on your back foot while you're gonna push down hard with your back foot. You're gonna lift up that front foot. After lift up that back foot, you wanna bring your knee as high as you can, and after land again with the 2 feet in the same time on the water. After you're able to do it with the rope, just go in the wave, at the bottom of the wave, and start doing some little ollie in the flat. Enjoy your ollie. Enjoy your ride.